This side hustle is a shortcut that I wish I had found years earlier because it has completely changed the way that I look at making a six-figure salary. I've made $900 sales from this system. I'm not saying that to brag. I'm telling you that because for years I traded 12-hour ER shifts for a paycheck that cost me time with my family and the memories that I was not there to make. So if you're tired of burning yourself out at work and still feeling stuck, this video could save you years of frustration if you're a professional looking for ways to cut back on those hours. It wasn't always this way though. I spent years chasing the wrong things. Extra shifts, side hustles that went nowhere, even those safe investments, and nothing gave me freedom. But then I found a system that worked and it completely flipped the script for me. So stick with me because I'm going to show you what worked, what didn't, and how I went from being a burnt out ER doctor to making income online right from my phone. And hey, if we haven't met yet, my name's Heather. I've been an ER doctor for over 27 years. I'm also a mom of 5 kids, one of which has special needs. So I'm really familiar with working that grind. I know what it's like to work long hours, exhausting shifts, and missing time with your kids, all to just feel like you're just getting by. That's why now I help busy professionals, especially busy moms, build income streams so you can get out of that grind, that you can work directly from your phone. Because you don't need another job, you just need more freedom. My very first attempts at making money outside of the emergency room, total flops. I tried picking up extra shifts thinking, okay, just work harder and you'll get that income, and all it did was drain me. Then I looked at side hustles like MLM, Amazon, even invested in a ton of coaching programs. And you know what? All they did was cost me more money. I spent dollars, I spent energy, and honestly, I just felt like I was failing. I remember crying after one shift thinking, I can't keep doing this grind until I'm 65, and yet nothing that I was trying was actually working for me. But then I discovered something different, a program that actually gave me exactly what I was looking for. Real marketing skills that I can use anywhere, a high demand digital product that I could sell for 100% profit, and a system that tied it all together so I wasn't trading time for money anymore. That combination changed everything because instead of chasing tiny commissions or building somebody else's dream, I was finally in control. Here's what I've learned. Expensive does not mean effective. If your side hustle depends on other people's motivation, or if you're making tiny $3 commissions while you're working a ton of hours to do it, then you will get burned out. But when you've got the right product, the right system, and the right skills, you can build something while you're living your life. That's what I've built, and it's why I was able to cut back on shifts, make that extra income, have more time with my family, and breathe again. Looking back, I wish I had started here because it would have saved me years of exhaustion, wasted money, and dead-end side hustles. Because in less than a year, this system gave me the skill set to replace those shifts with freedom income. And I know if it worked for me, a burnt out ER doctor, a mom of 5 kids, then it can work for you. So here's your shortcut. You don't have to waste years trying every business side hustle on the planet. I put together a class where I walk you step by step the exact system that I used to get that freedom. It's simple, beginner friendly, and it could be the way that you finally take back your time and build that freedom. Click the link in the description below to get your free blueprint that will show you the exact same skill set to show you how to work less and cut back on those hours. And let me show you the shortcut that I wish I had years ago, because you don't need another hustle, you just need more freedom.